some wash.
For the boy! Ambience and put it in this track. Oh. Good morning. Ready? Get it right. Get it right. Get it right. Give me that ball, Riley. Give me that ball. Give me that. Give me that ball. So Amanda has been leaving me these notes, these letters, since she left for Paris. So today is Saturday, little heart, and I'm gonna open it. Every letter that she's written me has had a little gift, a little hidden gift somewhere too, so. I know you'll probably be spending some time out working on the van today, so I re-hid some snacks for you in the closet underneath my undies. Alright, so you guys are about to see Amanda's undie drawer, I guess. If it's too crazy, I won't put it on there, but we'll see. I feel something. Oh, we're scoring, boys. Yo, no way. We're eating good today, boy. For the dream, dude! Alright, we got a big project on the van today. I'm gonna start putting up a couple of the interior shower walls. So I'll be working on waterproofing that, and it's a big job today, and I'm stoked for it. I'm gonna learn a lot, and it's gonna be crazy, dude. I'm actually putting a shower in now, so yeah, we're stoked. Let's go check it out. So now, I'm meeting up with the boys, we're heading to the skate park, and we're gonna shred it. So I'm stoked you guys are with me right now, cause brace yourself, dude. Make sure your socks are on tight, cause we're about to freaking get it with the boys, dude. This one's called Waiting on the Boys. Word on the street from the boys is they're pulling up. Let's see what they're claiming out here. What is happening, boys?
Saturday?
We're in here, dude. We're in here. We made it, boys! Alright, we're about to fully shred it out here, dude. Woo-wee. The boys, dude. What? Those legs, though, dude. Are you kidding, dude? Oh my god. Freaking big cat, dude. Big cat Matt, dog.
What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
playing boards. Whose boards are we stacking?
Are we doing
all of them?
Boards?
Who sacrifices their board?
Board stack.
When you get out, you have to donate your board to the board stack? Sick.
Should I gotta add that?
What's up?
Should I add that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Boards. Oh, big dogged it. Holy crap. Woo! We're stacking, dude. How'd that one go, dude? You freaking blasted off freaking nuclear blast, dog. Dick. Oh, we're stacking, dude. Dude, saving it with the stick. Oh! It is so heavy out here, dude. We're already on. We're already on what? 4 boards? I think we're on 4 boards. Jack, you're stacking, dog. Jack's trying not to stack, dude. Jack's trying not to stack, dude.
I thought everyone was out.
We're stacking out here, boys. For the boys.
What happened today?
Oh, that one?
Yeah. What happened today, y'all?
Dude, we pretty much just came out here and attacked it.
Yeah.
And gave it our best.
Are you guys satisfied with today's effort that you put in? All right. Good shit, guys.
All right, so now we're clearing for distance, boys. Solid like 4 feet, dude. Yeah. What? Oh my God. Dang! What are we doing out here, dude?
Big city slammers, dude.
Oh my God. Big city slammers, dude.
Big city slammers.
Heavy sesh. Heavy. Crap, what's it called? The squad, dude. Big, what is it? What? City something?
Big city slammers.
Big city slammers, dude. Coming out of here with steez, dog. And now the boys have been christened with sweat. And we're off to Flamies to get the biggest, most fattest burrito you've ever witnessed.
That was retarded.
Ah! Nice throw, dude. Oh, what? God level 5,000. What? Oh my God. Dude, you're on it, dude.
It's gotta slide back.
Wait. So good.
Jack's sticker. So check it out, Jack. So we're going full Smith optics, dude. We're going full Smith optics, dude. So our sticker placement is El Nino.
Yeah, right.
This the saddest thing, dude. See you later, boys.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. We're out here checking surf. Let's see what we got. Dude, I'm still blown away by the heavy skate sesh that went down yesterday. Oh my God, dude. Dude, and I'm already seeing some waves breaking over the rocks out here, dude. Oh my God. There's actually like some size. Dude, it looks super fun, actually. No way. Oh my God, I'm gonna score some nugs. Gee, let's get it, boys. quick, you know. Amanda's the best girlfriend ever. And we're opening the letter for Sunday. So let's see what she said. This makes it so much easier when she's gone, dude. So if you guys are new, I have a girlfriend named Amanda, and she's incredible. And she's in Paris right now for work. So she leaves me these notes while she's gone, and it makes it much easier because I miss her a lot. I'm so excited I left you some yummy stuff behind the van picture in the kitchen. I'm sending you the biggest hug ever right now. Can you feel it? Absolutely, BB. Have a great Sunday. Eat some pancakes and maybe there's waves. There was waves. BB. Oh, heck yeah. Oh my God, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh my God. People are crazy out here, dude. Alright, so it's so hot today that, like, I'm cutting boards and, like, taking breaks in between because it's just so hot, dude. The bawada. So right now it's like I have a riff that I really want to play and I know it in my head, but I can't quite play it yet. I'm so hot, oh my gosh, but dude, we got like almost 2 shower walls done and the ceiling for the shower is just about done. So I got so much done today on the van and it was super hot, and honestly I love doing it today. Like, I was sweating my ass off, but I feel really good about what I did, and now I'm gonna end the day with a surf sesh to cool off because the waves look super fun, actually. The waves look super fun and I just wanna get in the water, so let's get it. This is what it's about, dude. You bust your ass all day for the frickin' goal, for the frickin' dream, dude. And then you score waves with a beautiful sunset. Unreal, dude. Super lucky to have this life. Guys, wrapping up the vlog. It's been heavy, dude. Until next Monday, keep the stoke alive. Phew! Here's one for the vlog, boys.